One, not present. Come. Yeah. Please speak. You please speak.
Sir, this court brought a new tab to the realm of our economy and the banking. And that tab is haircutting. That word is known to all of us. But in the financial purview, they have brought a new meaning for that. Mr. Jaran Ramesh spoke about that in the speech. That haircut, in fact, has turned to be head cut for the banks of the public sector. Public sector bank and their earnings, their money, was given to the looters of the country. Typical example is Bhushan Steels. Bhushan Steels was having a heavy burden and the government intervened in the name of the bankruptcy courts and saved them, and they saved Tatas also. Bhushan Steels had a deal with the Tatas, and Tatas got a big company and the banks got a huge amount of money. And that is the real meaning of the haircut. And this haircut is a fraud on the economy, sir. A big fraud on the economy. We are seeing and reading every day of the Yes Bank, another big bank, the biggest fourth bank in the Indian private sector. What happened to them? Both the UPA and the NDA, they were supporting Yes Bank like anything. I saw yesterday also a big hoarding in the street of Delhi, in which Yes Bank, being a main partner in a government-sponsored event in Delhi, the hoarding was showing the picture of Prime Minister like anything, and Yes Bank was prominently placed. Sir, what happened to them? Sir, don't forget the examples of the world. These private sector banks, they were telling big things, but all over the world, they have plundered the people's money. It began from Lehman Brothers on the global framework. Then Merrill Lynch. What happened to them? All those big names of the world banking scenario, they fell like a castle of playing cards. And public exchequer had to pump the money to save them. Same thing happens here also. Now, to save the Yes Bank from the crisis, SBI and its resources are being drawn in by the finance ministry. What crime SBI did? Sir, I sincerely appeal to the House. There is high time in this country to think about bank nationalization. I would repeat again here from the workers' side that don't go back from bank nationalization, because all the private banks are being frauded the people. So, instead of this haircuts and these shortcuts, please think of a serious and healthy economy. Then we can see how hollow this IBC is. So, forget this hollowness. The finance minister may argue very vehemently in favor of that, but it will not help the economy, will not help the country to go forward.
Yes, thank you.
In this way, I repeat once again, the time has come to think seriously about the banks to be nationalized, not to be privatized. Yes, banks will repeat in the country, and the people will lose.
Thank you.
And the workers will lose. The country will fail.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.